Okay, so here's our circuit. We have a servo motor, a sensor, both connected to this Arduino, and they are powered by this power supplier. And here's our code. We can see that at the beginning we have this message because here is no movement, but whenever we start, the sensor starts detecting any movement, we will have this menu. If we choose an incorrect option, we will have this message, and if there's no movement here for 5 seconds after the answer, then it will appear again this message. So now we are going to try with another options. For example, we want at medium in capital letter, so it must rotate 90 degrees. And now if we try it with lowercase letters, it will also function. So for example, here if we try it with O in lowercase letter, it will have to rotate 180 degrees and it also functions. And well, that's our circuit.